Good morning, friends. Thank you very much for joining today's awareness program. From now, I see the friends from Africa, Russia, Italy, Dubai, Sri Lanka, and within India from many towns representing for this awareness program. I am blessed to have the many people here. They are already in the different professions. They love to learn what is Vastu, what is the science behind the Vastu. Thanks for giving opportunity to me to teach you, create awareness. Actually, what is the Vastu? You will learn in this 90-minute session. What is the Indian traditional architecture of it? How it is created, when it is started. What is the energy locations in the Vastu Purusha Mandal? So that is another elemental balance theory. What is the elemental balance theory? How can 5 elements can be help us? What is the directions and entrances to finding technically? What is the theory of right activities, right place? What is the theory of law of attraction in Vastu? These sciences will use in the different regular sciences, but how you can use the Vastu, that nothing but Indian Feng Shui. That's what I'm planning to just create awareness with you. Majorly, what is the significance? How we can introduce the Vastu word? Vastu is simple thing. We stay in the nature. We stay in the universe. There should be a good harmony between people, nature. That's nothing but Vastu. We should have very good harmony between the nature. What is the nature? A nature formed with the 5 elements, five elements. Our human body formed with the 5 elements, and your building construction use the 5 elements. Without 5 elements, you cannot live in the across the globe. See, nature having 5 elements, our building is having 5 elements, human body is having 5 elements. We need to synchronize all of them to understand well, to stay with happy living. That is Vastu. Simple definition. Space, water, air, fire, earth. These are the 5 elements. It is not only in you, around you, they are covered. So it should be a balance between around you, in you, that is building Vastu. If you balance within you, that is your health. Ayurveda talks about only Panchabhutas, 5 elements in your body. If you have any health problems, if any building any problem is there, which element is damaged, how it is imbalanced, that can talk about in Vastu. It is simple word, balancing of 5 elements in net usable area. Whatever area you are using on your name or your office or your industry or your company or your house, wherever you use, stay, place, net usable area, you need to balance 5 elements. That is nothing but Vastu. Also, right activities, right place. There you have a lot of place available or a small little place available, but activities, there is a science agreed. There is a principle says that how you can arrange activities according to science, according to principles. That is Vastu. In Indian classics, if you see the very ancient Indian classics, we have the Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samveda, Atharvana Veda. They're the 4 top Indian classics are there. Out of 4, Atharvana Veda is a science, gives Upaveda calls Tapatya Veda, where they talk about building science of buildings. Apart from public administration and governance in another Shastra, Artha Shastra, Atharvana Veda gives a Upaveda called Stapatya Veda. In the Stapatya Veda, the science of building is explained. Please understand, Vastu or Feng Shui is not from 30 or 40 years. It is there from human being existence. That when human life is started in the earth, the Vastu started. The person is the first person who on the earth, who is called along with the nature he grown. He used the nature, how to use. He started his own principles in the ancient days. That's the Vastu principles. We are deviating and we are facing problems. We are here as a professional, like a doctor, supporting, helping to come out of some issues with a solution which is discovered by our rishis and ancient priests in our culture of any country. They are ancient priests are there. They discover their own principles for the happy living that we call Vastu in India, Feng Shui in China and other countries. There are the in Indian science says God Brahma is the creator of universe. He gives the Vastu science to Garga to Parashara, Parashara to Brahdarda. It came to Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma is the person who elaborated the science of Vastu to the society. Then these are people say that 30 years only, 40 years we are following Vastu. We didn't do earlier. No, this is very old science. This is a citation I'm giving, which is a Purana, which chapter, what explained, where it explains. Matsya Purana, chapter number 252 takes Skanda Purana part 1, Garuda Purana chapter 35, 46, 47, 48, and Agni Purana 13th chapter, Bhavishya Purana 3rd chapter. The similar way in Puranas, Agama Shastras, they talk about Vastu, they talk about construction of buildings, towns, industries, and palaces. You can go and see Europe and an African and Russian countries. You see the palaces they constructed. It's not simple architecture. They follow traditional world traditional rules with a modified with the aesthetics. They design very nicely olden days. Now also they're following little bit less than what they followed earlier. These are the authors they written very olden days. If you did the Bharat, India, Hindu mythology and spiritual, we have the Vedas, Smritis, Darshana Shastras, Puranas, Ityasas. You can take a Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Adharveda. After Veda, you take a Vedangas, Vyakarna, Jyotisha, Niruttu, and Shiksha, Chandas, and Kalpa Sutras. Out of these, Jyotisha is the top, that is occult sciences, which gives lot of other sciences. Out of this Jyotisha, Vastu, one of the part. If you take the Vastu, we have the construction, underground, and dowsing. These are three different Vastu. The construction, we have the separate story again. Sculptures, buildings, residential, business, commercial, industrial, everything is different. Principles are different. Application is different. We need to use the principles also different. That's a Vastu. People say Vastu is not a science, it's a pseudoscience or something. Say people talk. No, Vastu is a science. As I'm a scientist, experienced 20 years in the drug discovery, I cannot take this science as a science without having evidence. Yes, there is evidence. Science has the 5 characters. Number 1 character, rational. Number 2, practicable. Number 3, permanent. Number 4, principle, universal. Yes, Vastu is a very rational science. Vastu is the practicable, apply and try and do the observe the research result. You see that. Permanent, if you do one solution, that is a permanent solution. You need not change anything. It a principle. Yes, science, regular science like other engineering, computer, other sciences. Vastu science is depending on very good principles, very old principles. No one discovered principles. We are only applying, modifying as per present requirement. And it is universal. It is not only for India. It is not only the southern or northern hemisphere. Wherever you go, if a human being is there, you can go and apply. That is called universal. So, the Vastu is a science. It is fulfilling all 5 minimum characteristics like other sciences. So, when talk about Vastu, we call about Vastu Purusha Mandal in India. Some people call about divine energies in the building and office or industry. When you talk about divine energy, we talk about Vastu Purusha. There was a story, is there, mythological story. I'm not interested to deal bigger way. There is a big demon, is a creator. So our creator, Brahma, put him on the earth to control him, what they done. There are the energies of the divine powers. They stand one side 10 members, another side 10 members. They form a one line. When you cross this 10 by 10 lines, you find a 99 boxes. That's called pada. Then when Vastu Purusha is laid down on that by keeping his head at northeast, the other god and divine energies are holding him. Before holding, they need to occupy how many parts, how many boxes technically occupied by the person that explain about this energy. This is a very big science. It takes more than a day to understand in detail. For idea purpose, there is a 10 plus 10 divine energies are covered to make a 81 boxes. There is a corners also. This 81 again divided into the 4 circles. First circle Lord Brahma created takes. Second circle 4 divine powers. Third and fourth circle. Fourth circle is very important because in house each and every entrance has his one energy power. His energy is based on that divine power, divine god or demon was staying in the particular location. That impact effect on our life, that's called entrance effect. That we need to will understand in the detailed programming. So if you take this total 45 divine powers, center they take 9 and 4 they take 6 each, 24, and 2 each, 16, 8 divine powers they take the 2 each, 16, and rest 32 they will take 1 each, total 32. All 45 divine powers will give that covered by 81. This is the way they covered. See the colors. This is the way all divine powers covers. This one is the energy grid. If you use any building, irrespective of the size of the building or industry, office, commercial, these are the way you need to identify energy powers when you talk about Vastu or corrections or constructions. These are the some points I want to have about these powers. I can talk more than a day, each and every power, how it works. That is the lengthy story. This is just create some awareness. So I'm running with the, this is the slide to understand. You will see your own human body design here. That's called Vastu Purusha, is laying down on the floor, covering all area of house. Then the red spots are there. That's called sensitive parts. That's called very sensitive parts. What are the sensitive parts called? Marmasthanas. We call marmasthanas. If you construct any house, if a pillar comes in that position, if pillar comes wherever the red spots are there, if there a pillar comes in the red spot location, the owner or some family member of the house will is her body part of the particular area will affected. For example, if you take the pillar in this, keeping mouse here, if you take the pillar in this neck area by mistake, then they have some throat problem, regular cough, regular throat issues. It may lead into the cancer or something else. That much effect will be there in the house. It comes into the medical Vastu. When you talk about medical Vastu, we can able to explain about what is the medical Vastu, how the diseases, you need to synchronize with astrology and time and house to find which is what is the reason the person having health related issues. That's it explains about this. You can imagine that you are sleeping in your house by covering total house, keep your head into the northeast, lay down on the floor and see yourself. Then feel that which body part your big sofa is there, or which body part you are a very big heavy item. See that particular body part location or a body part of your family member having impacted, then doctor doesn't understand why it is happening. The no medicines will work out. So this is again is a big science to understand. This is for idea only. Don't try to apply and your correlate with your problems. Just for understanding purpose, I am showing this slide here. Now, what is the elemental balance theory? What I was talking about energies, like there is a 45 energies covered in the 81 parts of the building. Each energy has its own kind of characteristic, its own kind of controlling by body parts. has its own kind of things will do that. But when you talk about elemental balance theory, then we need to understand what are the elements, how it affect on Vastu, how it affect on. See, you everybody we know that traditionally when Ayurveda is there before allopathy, the people talk about Vata, Pitta, Kapha are elements imbalance in the body. The doctor understand, they will give the medicine, they will give the treatment against the symptoms. So now we are giving any building treatment against symptoms, what symptoms family members are facing. How we are finding the symptoms based on the elements, how they are utilizing a house. This is called elemental balance theory. See, when you go to any nature, any person, any building, these are the basic elements: water, air, fire, earth, and space. We need to design building by understanding these 5 elements without affecting of them. Say there is a theory of karma or cycle of balance, whatever you say. So how to balance the 5 elements? If nature is balancing, you need not do anything. Please, you need not do anything. Nature is already balancing. You need to follow nature principle. You don't damage, you don't destruct the principles. You don't deviate a principle. You don't get any problem. If you start deviating the principle, you start getting a problem. It is a very good nature principle. What is 5 elements? If I'm taking a minute of time here, if you take element water, it gives wood or air, it called air. Water get evaporates, you will get air. Then air burns, it will get a fire. When the fire burns, the leftover the ash, that nothing but earth. We know our earth from the fire. The earth gives dust that go up, that's called space. When the space, clouds in the space melts, it creates a water. So it is very nicely explained in your our Indian science or Chinese science, whatever the science you say, everybody 99.9% people work about on this principle, how it is balancing, how it is controlling, how it is controlled by. So if elements are nicely created, the system is developed in the universe, element should not be created more or less. So for that, there is a controlling system is there. If there is a fire is excess, the water controls the fire. If there is a space is excess, the fire controls the space. If there is air is excess, the space controls the air. If earth is excess, the air controls the earth. If water is excess, earth controls the water. So very nicely defined the principle. The controls, if you take any single element, it is connected to the rest of 4 elements. One single element connected to the rest of the 4 elements to balance. Once it is a balance, you don't feel any your health problem in your body. You don't feel your any vastu defects in building. So you don't need any vastu consultation. When you design properly by helping architect. Architect, they are very experts to designing interior, exterior, aesthetics. But if they add a principles of this ancient science, they can do miracle for the clients. That's my goal, to teach this science to basically architects, interior designers. Their main goal, the reason, they are the first person to design the house for the clients. They should be the first person to understand the vast principles behind the building construction. Instead of a technical things, they can use the traditional advanced apart from their skills, capabilities in their building design. See, what are signs of the colors? I'm putting one slide in front of you. There are a lot of logos, very brand logos are there. Very brand logos are there. Many brand logos are there. Why they go with that color? See, the color impact a lot on our subconscious mind, and conscious mind react with that, and we respond for that color. If you like, you'll say they like it. If you don't like it, don't say you don't like it. Why? You responding your color. If when you use the color in house, should be a right place. If it is a wrong place, you are gone. You face lot of problems. For example, if there is a north part of the building, if you use a dark colors, red, orange, pink color, the north part of the building is called for the water element. If you use the fire element, that area, the fire will not seized out. The water get evaporates, warmed out. When the water get warmed out, you feel suffocation. You feel like a more clients for you, but they owe nothing is converting into the business. Your job doing good, but you won't be happy with your salary. The way it will affect on the color. Similarly, when the company design the logo, they choose the color depending on what business they do. What business they do, that is important. These colors are very important. Designing the logos, I gave some examples here. Every color has a negative impact, positive impact, attributes, and that type of science is there. That's a big science. Interesting people can know later by contacting personally. Now, I would like to talk about what is the science of directions. People say that there are the 4 directions: north, east, south, west. Majorly architects or civil engineers, designers, they won't go even to the site. The client will give, this is my site, this is my road, north road, east road or west road. This is the length and width. So can we give the plan? They put all their dreams into the paper and architect will give the plan by using his minimum knowledge of Vastu. But here we need to find the directions, how many, how it works. These 4 directions will not satisfy all the activities. Even 8 directions will not satisfy on all the activities. In old, very old Vishwakarma Prakashika, Somarangana Sutradhar, Mayamatam, whatever you take, the very ancient classics of our Indian science of Vastu, or if you take in Chinese basics, they talk about 16 key attributes. It is not like some person talks some different names. Some person says Saral Vastu, some person says Pyramid Vastu, some person says Maha Vastu. That is their brand names. That is not a principle. That is not a new science they discovered. The science is discovered by our Rishis in the ancient days, in the Purana days, in the Purana Kala. No one discovered, nothing is discovered nowadays. It is only reinvented the wheel. So we are using these principles as per present requirement. Technically, we are using that principles here now to get a best results. That's what we do. No Vastu is a different. Vastu is the only single Vastu is the Vastu. It's not like people may use, my name is Viramneni, I can use Viramneni Vastu. Nothing is the difference from other Vastu. But how you apply, how you understand, that is important here. How you get a solutions, that is important here. How you find a symptoms, like a doctor, there are 10 doctors, one doctor is successful. Why? He can find a symptoms very easily and he choose the right medicine for right symptoms. That is the best doctor. The way the Vastu also, the consultant like a doctor for the house, you need to understand the symptoms of problems and he can give the best solution, a remedial form without any physical destructions. Because a Vastu doctor is a physician, not a surgeon. He will not allow to damage anything. No Vastu Shastra says damage, demolish, reconstruct. The renovation is different. Reconstruction, for as for their requirement, they do that. But they need to follow some principles when you do all these things. How to understand 16 directions. People say 16 directions. How we technically know that 16 directions are there? If you take east, for example, for your information, I'm taking east as a top side to explain the better way. To explain better way, I'm taking east is a top. Okay, east is top. You know that south, all corners, southeast, northeast, southwest, northwest. If it is square, if it is rectangle also, you say that same way, 4 corners. The rectangle, vertical, all horizontal, vertical, rectangular, whatever is the rectangle, you say that corners are southeast, southwest, northwest. How you can justify just like that square the same, rectangle? It is where we are doing mistakes by our professionals. Some people they doesn't understand story behind Vastu. Actually, now I can explain how we can find. See, you know that sun is in 90 degrees, is in east. I'm taking only reference sun to understand. Actually, we take in the Vastu 0 degrees reference because 0 degrees never change never changes. But to explain to 16 directions, I'm taking a east sun as a reference standard. Sun 90 degrees. He will be staying in 90 degrees yearly twice. Out of 360 days, sun stays only 2 days in the year. He stays in the 90 degrees. What he does, he takes right side 30 days, 3 months, sorry. He moved right side 3 months. He moves right side 3 months and come back in 3 months. Total 6 months he takes that area from 90 degrees to left side. Right side, that's called, we call in your Dakshinayana. Similarly take left side, that's called northern part. That also he goes 3 months and come back in 3 months. So this total journey of the sun in the 365 days, 12 months, this is covers shadow of the sun in the house from the center. The house can be rectangle, any way, any shape. If you stand in the center of house, the sun shade in the house, that is called east. How to measure that? We need to take the measurement techniques that sun, when moves a sun into the right or left, it takes 11.25 degrees left, 11.25 degrees right. Exactly, it called 22.5 degrees. You can learn in the astrology also. When in the astrology calculation, they take the 22.5 or 23 degrees when the sun movement, earth movement talks about earth movement. Here you can understand the sun takes left or right together 22.5 degrees. That is exactly area called east. See, only that much area east. How? Now the center is 360 degrees and divide 22.5 and you'll get a 16 parts. 16 east like directions areas you will find in your house. That this was explained not by latest people, it is explained in our ancient books. But application part comes, it was little bit dragged, properly not applied. Some people are really nicely applying, they're doing a lot of research. Now, this is the way you need to find direction. Now we can see the 16 parts, 16 directions, equally 22.5 degrees each direction. My friends, I will tell one more thing here. When you go to a house, when you see that 90 east 90 degrees or not, sometimes it takes 70 degrees, it will be the 110 degrees. Sometimes what happened, our people of the consultants or whatever eminent people talk about this. Okay, you can, if it is 30 degrees cross, no problem, take it as east, or 20 degrees, take it as east. So here we are talking even 0.5 degree, how you can accept even crosses the 20? It is at 20 degrees minus or 20 degrees plus, how you can say east? We cannot say. It, for example, if this is the house plot is 100 degrees, then what happened? The east completely moved. When east is moved, that plot, all direction get moved. Southeast moved, southwest moved, northwest moved, northeast moved. People always say that is corner is northeast. They want to use as a northeast. How many degrees error, they don't mind. Here we need to technically understand that how many degrees are there, how to find it and find the place. So for example, it is 70 degrees that house. Northeast completely moved right. Total directions will get changed. It is not just, it is not like what you feel. It is exactly, it depends on 0, north 0 and cover is the 16 degrees, 16 directions, each direction 22.5 degrees. These are the 16 directions are there. Here, I'll take a minute of time to explain these 16 directions. When Vishwakarma talked this chapter number 2, slokas 92, 96, I hope, 91, 92, 93, 94, some slokas. And also is talks in the Samarangana Sutradhar, there is a big 2 volumes are there. He also talks about this activities. They thought about 16 different activities. Each and every activities, how can accommodate. When you accommodate activity, when you perform activity, when you do activity to your house or office, industry, building, you need to understand attribute, character of the particular area. That is fixed. Particular area character is fixed. When you do activity, that attribute and activity should be a friendly manner. Otherwise, you will not get a result. Then we need to understand what are the attributes given to the directions. I love to start from the northeast. You can see the northeast, clarity in mind. Clarity in mind. Northeast is a Vastu Purusha Mandal, head is there. That is a clarity in mind. You want to do whatever things, you will be taking decision with very clarity, then you will not fail in anything. Majorly you will have the drawing room, living room, or sit out that location. Sit peace of mind, very nice peace of mind, and you will get very nice decision because you are very clear whatever you want to do. Here you can observe the colors, very important here. Directions and colors. There should not be any anti-color in the particular area. Clarity in mind is a blue color. If, for example, if there is a red color, you lose your clarity in mind. You do the wrong decision. Then you will end with a bad result. If you have the yellow color in that area, also it's same thing happens. Now coming to the east of northeast, everybody should feel recreation and fun after coming from office or industry or work. That east of northeast will give the recreation and fun. And next is the social association. East is the sun takes care, God Indra takes care, and the east gives us social association like a society, neighbors, government, administration, officers, political leaders. It connects. What I mentioning this, these are the activities. If the east is damaged, you won't get a good connection with the government official. You won't get a good result from the government. You won't get best result from the support from the government or neighbors on the society if east is damaged. Then next is the east of southeast. It is the between east of southeast. It is clearly mentioned in the ancient book that's called for churning area. When you take the butter and churn when you take the curd, convert into the buttermilk, and when you churn it and you create a butter, that area for the churning, location for the churning, that's called anxiety and churning. That area, whatever you do, you over anxiety or overthinking, you won't get a conclusion. For example, some office staff is sitting there. Your house, east facing house, for example, your hall is coming to that area. There is a sofa sitting there. You want to take a decision in 5 minutes. You will take a decision in 30 minutes, even you won't get a conclusion also. You waste your lot of time to take a decision. If you sit with the friends or family members, if that location, because that location gives us anxiety and churning, those impact on us, our decisions, our subconscious and conscious mind, our psychological, our behavior. We won't connect very well with the solutions. We won't get conclusion in the meetings. That's what happened if you use that area. Then there are the other areas southeast. So we need a money. That money comes from the north, where opportunities are there, business or job related opportunities. Once you get a money, you need to manage the money, how to improve business, how to grow money. That is southeast. This cash liquid money. Liquid money comes into the southeast. How to grow money. For example, you after your business, you got some X amount of money. Can I invest in the market? Can I invest buy in the house? Can I put in the give to the friends for the interest? So you get a lot of different ideas. Then wherever you put these ideas, you should get back your money with appreciation. But Southeast is damaged, then you lose your money. You won't get appreciation. You won't get recovery. If it is office, your client will not pay you the back their money. The credit limit increases, then you will be affected by the impact by the cash problem, wealth problem. Your own money you will not enjoy. If it will be on with some other hand, you give to your friends or relatives, you will not give back. That effect, if anything happens in the Southeast, that's area called cash liquidity. Come to the next, power and confidence. The south of Southeast gives the power and confidence. You do any job, you are under command, control. You do your business, you are under command and control. You are studying something, you are good confidence, I can win, I can win, I can win. But if there is a problem in this area, defect in this area, always some support is required to get into the confidence. You may be knowing some friends or family members around you. They call me, they call you, they ask, I'm doing this, can I do? Can I go? Can you give suggestion? Because their lack of confidence, they take somebody's suggestion and they go further. Because of that, they don't have the confidence on their own plans. If somebody says yes, they can go. Only the dependability they increases, they will not comfortable with this house. If there is a problem in the south of Southeast, it's between south and Southeast. And I'm moving to the south. When I'm talking about the fame and relaxation, you are the good business, you are the good money, you are the society, everything is good, but your name is not good, then this total get damaged out. Society will keep you away, and you will not get a good business or good job. Your name is damaged. If your name is damaged, then you won't get relaxed. You feel that tired. So these two things happens in south is get damaged. If the south is a great, you will get very good name in the society and business society and personal and professional society. You will feel always relaxed mood. Whenever talk to the person, he says, I'm great. Why is he great? Is always comfortable mood. That's what south gives. And I'm going to the another place, south of Southwest. It is in the between Southwest and South. Here, expenditure and disposable area. It gives lot of expenditure attitude to the person, and also it is a disposal area. Whatever you do here, activity that gets by default disposes. Majority of the people dining table comes here. I have the statistics of 3,000 houses, statistics, I have the graphs and everything. People around 32-33% of the family, they sit for the dining in this location. After kitchen, between master bedroom, they have the dining table. That part of dining table comes into the south of Southwest. Who sits regularly in the particular dining table location and the chair? The person having a lot of digestive problem. They will eat a lot, but they are weak. Their immune system also weak. The reason that area is a disposal area. The dining table is supposed to be take a healthy food, energy food, grow your immunity, grow yourself healthy. These are the target for the having food. Both those target, those intentions will get disposed out. You will not comfortable. You will have a lot of stomach upset and health problems. If you take the same place, if you go to the master bedroom, the left side of the master bedroom, people say that master bedroom southwest is there. If you go inside the master bedroom, take the left side of that area that called south of Southwest. If you sleep there, you won't get a good sleep because that part of south of Southwest. So we need to understand how much our south of Southwest is covered in house. So then only you need to identify the problem, why it is coming. The next come to the Southwest. Southwest gives creativity, skills, and relationships. If you go to the family, relationships, wife and husband, new married couple relationships, between father and mother relationships, and employee and employer relationships, and partners relationships. Also creativity. If you are doing job, your creativity and skills will get recognized if Southwest is good. If Southwest is bad, getting bad relationships, or you waiting for the marriages, delaying the marriages, because the relationships, the word is get a that attribute as a damaged, so you won't get a new relationship into the family. So getting delayed in the marriage and having children also will be delayed if Southwest is damaged. Then I'm going to the next west of Southwest, that education and savings. You study well, you spend lot of hours for the study. Your children spend lot of time for the study, but they perform very poor in exams. They are unable to reproduce their efforts. They are unable to reproduce their subject, which is they learn from the class or home. Because if anything happened in the west of South, similarly savings, you hard work and generate a lot of money from your business or job, but you are unable to save the money. You use unnecessary purpose. Lot of expenditure comes. The wasteful of expenditure comes. If then you think about that, west of Southwest is damaged. Surprises in the expenditure, that like health problems and any other operational issues in the business and family related. I can tell another example. If you go to the shop to buy 100 rupees items, then when you see some other item, you attracted by that particular item, you spend 1000 rupees and buy that, apart from 100 rupees item. After coming to home, you feel that only 100 rupees item is required now. The 1000 rupees you spend, that is not required, you keep somewhere else. So you wasted 1000 rupees. That type of behavior, attitude creates if the direction is damages in house. I'm coming to the west. The west is a profit and margins, and the business, you spend a lot of money, then when end of the year you see that what profit and margins you gain. That talks about west. And west of Northwest, that between Northwest, it is a very nice area, the two ways. The person is a too much depression, too much emotion. You can use that room, that place, you will be comfortably. The person is very happy, healthy, young student. If you go and sit that area, you will be addicted to that area, you will be under depression. So we need to use that area depending on what exactly what we need, what for you need. And coming to the Northwest, that is the support and banking. Support from the family, support from the friends, support from the financiers, support from the business partners and employees, and bankings when you go for the loans, when you forgo the repayment, when you're the defaulter, bank will support you. If the Northwest is good, if that's damaged, then you will not get any support from friends and family, employees, and banks and financiers. You will be very troubled. And I'm going to another one, north of Northwest, that is sex and attraction and affection. In this area, it's a good for the young couple. They understand very well what they need. They enjoy their life. If that is a damages, they get a lot of deviations. Really very, very badly affected if there is a vastu defect on that area. I've done a lot of research, hundreds of cases, some of apartments, towers. If 20 apart floors are there, 20 floors, same line of apartments, if having that particular area washrooms, that done. There is a lot of issues, wife and husband related issues. They look for alternate, that leads to the extramarital affairs also. That is damages. If the damages in the business, you will not get good business, your clients will not get, and your business, no business attracted by the clients if that north of Northwest damage in your office. And north is the place you get a money. How you get opportunity first, that opportunity convert into the business or job and make the money, that what north you will get it. And finally everything is then our health. When you talk about health, immunity, health, you should be very happy health, so you should grow physically, mentally, perfectly with your immunity and health. That what north of Northeast gives. You can see the opposite direction. Wherever you see the opposite direction, you can see very nicely correlation. See, money and cash liquidity opposite bank and support. Social association opposite to the profit and margin. Health, immunity opposite to the disposal. creativity, relationships opposite to the clarity in mind. It is very nicely explained in our ancient science. Only we need to present a proper way to understand the people and let them use ancient principles for latent advanced requirements. Traditional Vastu means classical principles used. Advanced Vastu means classical principles applied for the latest requirements. That's only the simple difference. People say I'm advanced, I'm a scientific. Nothing is, everything is science. In ancient days also science, or nowadays also science. Only how you apply, to whom you apply, that is important. Now I'm talking about entrances. These are the entrances that regularly people follow one direction. They make 8 and 8 or 32 parts. It is square plot, very nice. Rectangle, you cannot satisfy. See the area of the, if you make 8 parts each direction, you are not comfortable to make the equal place. If you take the same way, this is also same issue. But if you go and see this, now we talk about this movement of the sun. 11.25 degrees one side and 11.25 degrees other side. If you take the 11.25 degrees and divided the 360 degrees, which is in the center point, you will get the 32 division. This 32 number matching exactly energy powers, the gods or divines or Vastu Purusha Devatas or divine, whatever you say, energy powers of 32, that is matching is this 32. These are called the entrances. Each entrance has its own significance. I'm not going to talk about that, because that takes minimum 2 hours. One entrance takes 10 to 15 minutes if you want to discuss. These are the entrances. Whatever you say the safe, these are the entrances will cover equally. These are the best entrances. Always best entrance is the center of the building direction. North is the third and fourth part. East is the third and fourth. South is third and fourth. West is third and fourth. Then people confused a lot in the northeast. Northeast is the best condition. Northeast definition is, what is the definition of northeast is end of the north, start of the east. When you take the northeast, end of the north, eighth part is the best for the entrance, not first part. The first part, the eighth part in the northeast is the north part of the northeast is the best to have the good bank balance. See, the bank balance, the definition is different. It may be borrowed money, it was may gain money, is steal money, or whatever the money you will get it. If mafia money, lobbying money, but you will get a money. That's not great. For example, that entrance little bit move towards the east side in the northeast, then whatever earn the money so far on that day before you come to the house, you start getting loose by making accidents, health problems, incidents, whatever may reason, you lose everything, drain out everything. That's very dangerous. When you find a house entrance, it is in the wrong place, you need to correct immediately. That can be done without physical changes. So that, if I take one example of entrance, I can take one example how it works. What is the guard entrance? I'm taking east side one entrance. Sikhi is taking care of that entrance. What is the major problem? Fire, accident, and losses. Similarly, we can talk about 32 entrances. Then there is a theory of right activities, right place. I was talking about this right 16 attributes for the 16 directions. When you want to do activity, we need to see the what is the attribute of particular direction and combination of that direction, what activity can suitable. Then only you can do there to get a best result. Don't do just what you want for a best life, for a happy living. I'll take one example. I'll take you because it is only awareness, idea purpose. I'll take a northeast. Northeast is gives clarity in mind. From the center, it covers 33.75 to 56.25 degrees from the center of the building. It is clarity in mind. When you have the clarity in mind, you want to get more clarity, do meditation there. Then you get a more inspiration. Then in this area, element is water, color is blue, and self, yourself. And it's good for the puja, where you get clarity, dining, comfortable dining, drawing to talk to the people. You will get very nice ideas. hall, family and studies, leads very excellent studies. You cannot have a kitchen, toilet, bedroom, store. In the Northeast, you cannot have a bedroom. The meaning you can have the bedroom, but head position cannot be in the location of Northeast. The way you need to arrange the bedroom. You cannot put our head in the exact Northeast, hours together, years together, days together. It is well researched, done in the Africa, American and US and UK, some of Australia, biomedical engineers. I have also part of the research, recently published article in the why it affect on the, we done research with rats and rabbits and some medical students. When we ask them to put their head into the each 1 week, one direction out of 16, they run the EMG, ECG and EMG, they check the graph, how they are sleeping, disturbed sleep or sound sleep, what is the problems they are facing. So that graph exactly matching when the very badly when they sleep at northern side putting their head, that because of the melatonin effect, when the serotonin is converting into the melatonin in evening timings, that electromagnetic waves, the impact on the conversion of the serotonin to melatonin, if the conversion is reduced, then you will not sleep. If you are not getting sound sleep, you will not get the rest. If you are not getting rest, you start getting health issues. Those problems comes. In the hemisphere changes, you need to, if you go to Australia, you sleep at north. If you, Australia, Brazil, New Zealand, some countries, other hemisphere, you need to only vast is the same across the globe, except when you sleep, keeping your head south or north. India, keep south is the best. If you go to the other country, other hemisphere, keep it is a north or east or west. India, south, east or west. That is only the difference in the vast if you go to the other hemisphere. Otherwise, everything is same. Then if you take a northeast, that attribute is the clarity. If you do the puja, what happens? Each and every house, there are 16, 20 activities are there. I'm taking some example. If you do the puja, very good, ideal zone. Kitchen, you are putting a fire there, it's not at all good. Dining, it's very good. Toilets, toilet purpose, the disposal. You lose your clarity. You lose your clarity. When you lose the clarity, you are the tension. You are not attention, you are the tension. When you are tension, you get a neurological problems. Then you get headache. That leads to the cancer sometimes. The drawing room, excellent. You have a very good discussions. Bedroom, it is acceptable, but your head position cannot be northeastern part of the house. You can put head somewhere on the other side of the room, and you can have the bedroom in the northeast. Family lounge, excellent location. Guest room, it is a guest room is the best room. You can put head in northeast, wherever you want, you can put it, except north part of the house. Study, really best place to start students. Store, you cannot have a store. Yes, you can have a store if it is organized. If it is organized, if it is organized, otherwise don't put any store there. And servant is a good place, but not ideal place. It's a good, not ideal place. So bar, staircase, inverter, I can talk each and every direction versus activities we do at house. It is in the lengthy science. Who want to add value to your sciences, practices, I can teach to them only. Then I take in Indians, we follow a lot of perform pujas and follow a lot of gods. People believe depends on their own god, or based on their family requirement, there's own requirement. You cannot put the photos as you wish. You need to put accordingly as per the directions, as per attribute to get a major good result. Then I'm talking about the road hits. I'll take a minute to talk about the road hits. Road hits means if there is a house, opposite there is a road and coming towards your house. What happened when the road is there, there's a vehicle, bus, car, lorry, truck, anything, container, anything, it has a metal made. When total environment has a magnetic, magnetism is there. That magnetic waves are the zigzag. It's not organized, unorganized. When the vehicle is coming on the one way, this unorganized magnetic waves will come into the organized way. Impact of the metal on the magnetic waves, they come north and south equally, then comes at an organized way. When they are coming the organized way, it creates magnetic impact around that area. When the vehicle is traveling towards an house, that the magnetic impact, the magnetic power effect also travel along with the vehicle. And the vehicle take a left or right, that magnetic effect will not take along with the vehicle. It's flow continuously and hit on the wall opposite the house, opposite wall. That whoever house is there, that effect, that's called Rodit effect. That can be nullified by placing the particular area, which element is that. Based on the element, you can use the color or a metal in that area, not Lord Ganapati. It is not supposed to be there. Few out of 16 directions, find 5 are the best rodents. So far research, no bad impact has observed, but finding the rodent is very difficult. Total, take the empty plot, convert into 16 divisions, and take the road measurement, how much road, which direction is hitting, where is hitting. You need to take technically calculations before you talk about rodent. If you don't have any problem, you don't worry about the rodent, just go on way. The reason, the road is very small, there is no much vehicles, you don't worry. These are some examples how the northeast road is good. I'm going to share some of the them. Whoever is required, I can share this one. These are some rodents are very good. Some are the bad. How you can find the based on the rectangular, rectangular square plots. How where is the southeast, where is the south of southeast? How the good? Is this a good rodent? Sometimes people thought it's the west, but it's not west. West of northwest. Good rodent. Some people here thought northwest. It is a west of northwest because of the length and width of the plot. That is a good rodent. So we need to identify properly. Then now I can take another minute to talk about that. Some people call me, is this building is suitable for me? Some people say this is entrance is suitable for me. Don't ask that such question that entrance is suitable for me or not. You don't worry about the entrances. When a suitability you want to check, you need to check with your name, not your birth star, not your date. No, Vastu is not concerned with your date of birth, birth star or Kundali, nothing. Vastu concerned with your name. What is your name? Present name. What is your present name? You may be having 2-3 names. No, I don't worry. I need what is your present name. In the present name, what is the first letter of your present name? The first letter of the present name and versus direction will find a suitability. This is the way you will find a suitability. For example, these are the letters are there. Top level directions are there. Take wife and husband letters. Take wife and husband first letters and choose. For example, A. Okay, I'll take Anant. I'll take example Anant. Anant suitable direction is the east, very good. South, very good. Northwest, very good. Northeast, very good. You cannot buy northeast. People saying Anant, northeast is very good. Many people are asking, it is very premium you need to pay for that corner plot. If you buy that one, it's very bad effect on you. You cannot buy that. Then I will take his wife name. Okay, I take CH Chandana. Okay, his wife name, for example, Chandana. Chandana is a east, good. South is good. West is good. Northeast is good. But if they want to stay, they cannot buy the northeast. They want to stay, they can buy east or south. Both combination only good for the east or south. Rest of the 2 directions not suitable for both. If Anant want to buy the house for appreciation, to want to sell later, then if you find a northeast, you can buy on his wife name Chandana. If you want to stay together in the house, construct house, don't buy the northeast. You need to see whose name is a good. If you want appreciation, you want to see both names should be good if you want to stay in there. The way you need to consider apartment, don't do all these things. Apartment, multi-owner, multi-stored building, it is very difficult to find which direction is that. Just don't worry of this chart. This chart is only for your independent houses and villas or bungalows, open plots. So these are some consolidated charts I'm giving. I'll share with the people who want to know some of the work. So I give an example how I work on this. Sorry, I just finishing. Okay. Business is a different, vast benefits, a lot of benefits are there. So our Indian, our culture and any country culture give the peace of mind, health from Ayurveda, peace of mind from the yoga, and happy life from the astrology, happy living from the Vastu. These are the things we got from the Vastu, lot of benefit, inner realization in the Vastu by changing in interiors. You can get inner realization. You can have strength for the professionally or personally and business wise. It's a very easy process to use the Vastu principles. You can use anywhere, any country, anywhere in the world. As per Vastu, you can get a best solution. I do this way. I take one example before closing that. This family has a growth of business is not good, and children are not doing well in their health, loss of their money due to the invested with the wrong person. So the person talked about these things. See, when you see this rectangle place, you find a very northeast. Northeast is completely side because this house is 18 degrees. It is not zero true. It is 18 degrees cross. Then all direction will change. Now, where is northwest and southeast? Southwest is come here. They thought the master bedroom is here and southwest, but southwest is here. The west, 2 toilets are there. What happened? West will give the profit and margin, but toilets will give the disposes. The profit and margin attribution is the attribute character of the west, but toilet, they put the 2 toilets, the business profit completely disposed out. They won't get a profit. Then the southeast, there is a toilet outside. What happened? Southeast is a very bad location. It's a very bad location for the liquid money. The liquid money goes out. If you give to someone, it will not come back. He invested somewhere, he didn't get any money. Another entrance is here, E2 entrance and N6. These are the entrances. Some of entrances you give the bad health and other problems for this family. And another entrance is the S6, south 6th part is there. That also gives the problem. We give those very technical solutions without any physical changes to get rid of the problem by understanding symptoms and observations from them. This is another example. The way we work for the any building industry or office or corporate. So to understand the people, if anybody is interested, this is the last slide. Anybody is interested, I'm going to run another session, October 16th, 17th, 18th, 3 days, daily 5 hours. This is along with, I give the course book of the 450 for 500 pages, including 200 models. Model means worked out plans and corrected plans and full science of Vastu. That's what I am. Thanks for your attention and present here to understand what is the principle of Vastu. Thank you all.